Hi friends, here Excel Guru and this query asked by Excel group in WhatsApp. So he has tagged here what it is actually. So here he wants to do like this. If it's data in a B column, it has to be like this. If it is not there, then it should be blank. If it is there, then automatically it has to change. Suppose in blank, if you find anything ABC, then this has to be after 2 it has to be 3 and 7 should be 4. So this is the thing. So we have to solve it. Okay, in what are the ways is there to solve this type of queries? Now let's begin this. See, if I enter, what will happen? Okay, sorry, here 3. See here, I already did in C column. You can see over there in C column. Okay, so now I will show you the formula how to do this one. Okay, delete. What I'll do here, first of all, I will ask that in this cell, any blank before, then show me the blank. Else counter is a function where it counts non-blanks. Counter $4 colon B4. Right. That's it. Formula is that's it. Wherever it finds the blank, it will show you the blank. Else it will run step by step. See how I'll do. Enter. Control D. See. Observe serial numbers. When I delete anything over here, automatically 3 will go from there and 4 will become 3, 5 will become 4, 6 will become 5. Okay. If we add any data over in next cell, wherever it may be, so from Z, that B12, sixth serial number is there, it will become 7 and 7 will become 8. Okay. And I will write a formula here once again. And if you have any doubt, ask me in the comment box. Okay. Okay. If anything is there, just don't hesitate. Don't hesitate and ask me in the comment box. Thank you, guys.